Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Colbeck Castle, Colbeck Manor, that's what we're checking out today. I'm just showing you guys the drive up to the complex. It's like literally 1 minute outside of the town of Old Harbour. This is the entire compound. Very huge compound as well. Guys, remember, subscribe, help the channel to grow. If you haven't yet subscribed, guys, definitely subscribe. Support the channel, be a part of the channel and help it to grow as well. So Colbeck Manor. So this is where some of the houses are being developed. Alright guys, so there was a quick glimpse of the ongoing construction. So all that entire complex, and it continues right here as well, will be the Colbeck Manor community. So it's this entire area. So they're putting in the infrastructure work right now. So just driving to the location where the model units are, so you guys can definitely see. Alright, so we're almost there. So this is another area that they're working on. Let me show you guys some glimpses. Hold on. Alright guys, so we're back on the journey, and please remember that I'm driving slow and I'm stopping every minute of the way, so it's not a far distance. As I mentioned, about 1 minute outside of the town of Old Harbour, and you're basically there. A very nice community. These are the model units that we're coming up to right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a complete walkthrough with you guys, show you around the place, show you some of the model units. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are now on the compound, Colbeck Manor. So before we go in, we're just taking a look at the outside. So 3 different units. We have the Monarch, which is this one, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. We have the Citadel, which is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And we also have a third option, which is 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So the main one I'll be checking out is the 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So that you guys can see exactly inside as well. I'll take some glimpses of the others, so you guys can definitely see. Alright, so we're gonna enter the 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom and show you guys what's happening. And again guys, remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, comment and share. So the Monarch, which is this one, is 1,000 The house is 1,100 square feet and the lot is 4,000 square feet. Alright, so let's take a look inside the Monarch. Alright, so this one is 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. So just showing you guys around. Alright, so this is bedroom number 2. This is not the master. So this one share the bathroom with the other room. So this is the shared bathroom. I really like the furnitures. I know you don't get the furnitures with the property, but I think Ashley Furniture did the staging. I think the furnitures are really solid and nice. It really brings off the property. And then this is the dining area. And then the kitchen area is a bit separated. I know some persons prefer it isolated. Some prefer it all in one so they can, watch some TV while cooking. And then this is the washroom area. Alright, so living. So dining right here. And living right there. And the kitchen area. Alright, now for the master. The master is on a side by itself. So it's over this side. So this is the master. What size bed is this, guys? Is this a king? Let me know if this is a king size. Just by looking at it. And then what comes with the master is a walk-in closet and a separate bathroom. So standing shower, glass enclosure. And then the walk-in closet is right here. So you have some storage space, very high ceilings as well. Alright, so that's it for the Monarch 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So I'll show you guys the other 2. So for the Monarch, it's 1,100 square feet for the house and 4,000 square feet for the lot. Alright, so let's take a look outside around the side of the house and the back so you guys see the space. Alright, so coming off the patio or the veranda, you go around to the side. So you have side space, well manicured lawns, good landscaping. Then this is the back. So lots of space to do whatever you choose. And perimeter fencing. And then lots of land, guys. So, one thing with Jamaica, our land will not run out anytime soon. So developments like this will keep on coming. there's still a lot of still a lot of land. And I think that's the Colbeck Castle over there. So this is where the entire area gets its name from. The Colbeck Castle. There's some history behind that. A lot of persons are saying it should stay. They should never remove it. They should never demolish it. So that's a landmark. That's a historical landmark there. If you guys know the history around the Colbeck Castle, let me know in the comments. So that's the Colbeck Castle. And we're on the Colbeck Manor, being developed by Kemtek Development. And again, guys, let me know what you think about the properties. Leave your comments. And watch the video through the end so you guys can, see every unit and can leave a good comment. Alright, so this one is the Vista. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright guys, so this one is the Vista. The house is 980 square feet. And the lot size is 3,500 square feet. So it's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Alright, so I showed you guys the Monarch first. So this is now 2 bed, 2 bath. So dining area. And then from dining we have, living room area. Then we have a little dining area. And your kitchen area. You have your backyard space, your washroom space, so again guys, leave your comments on each of the different setups, each of the different units. Leave your comments on them. Alright, so let's check out the bedrooms now and the bathrooms. Alright, so this is the front bedroom. I'm thinking this is the master bedroom, but there is something that I'm going to highlight that you guys can comment on. So this is the bigger room. Closet area. And I think this is a king size bed, guys. Let me know, is this king or queen? So now the thing with this bedroom, which should be the master, you have a shared bathroom, so you can enter from the living for your guest and also from this bedroom. However, as you realize, you can also enter from the living room. So I don't really like this setup, being that this is the front room. Right, so this now is the second bedroom, which is at the back. But then this bedroom has its own bathroom. This bedroom seems a little bit smaller to me as well. But I like the different houses, guys. They're very neat. Not super small, like some, chicken coop or some bird cage. You have space. And I like the staging as well. It shows you some different concepts that you can utilize for yourself. Alright, so this is bedroom and bathroom number 2. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, so again, living, dining, kitchen. And then this is the backyard area. Nice mango tree right here. And this is the entire site. I'm not sure if you can see all this, guys, but you go all the way down that side. All the way down there. So the entire perimeter is already walled. It's already fenced using blocks. And construction is ongoing. Alright guys, so this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This one is the Citadel, which is, the house is 810 square feet and the lot is 3,500 square feet. So we have our kitchen area. And our living and dining. And then bedroom number 1. And closet area. So there's one shared bathroom with 2 bedrooms. So this is the front bedroom. Alright guys, so just showing you a quick layout so you guys have an idea of all 3 look. So 2 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Alright, so we checked out all 3 so far. And this is the 3rd one. Alright, so we'll take back a look outside just to show you guys around. And again guys, leave your comments. So we're in Old Harbour, Colbeck Manor. This is a Kemtek development. So there you have it, Colbeck Manor. They allow expansion to the side and at the back. So yes, you can expand. This is their brochure. Just skipping through so you guys can see some more details on the brochure. Alright, so this is the Monarch, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. House size 1,184 square feet. Lot size lot size is 4,000 square feet. Cost is 18 million Jamaican. Deposit is 1.8 million Jamaican. And that's it right here. That's the Monarch. And guys, remember to leave your comments. And then next we have the Citadel, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. House size 810 square feet. Lot size 3,000 to 4,000 square feet. Cost 13.5. Deposit 1.350. And yes, you can expand at the side and also at the back. And this is it, this Citadel. And then finally we have the Vista. Gonna share the details. And then we have the Vista, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. House size 980 square feet. Lot size 3,500 to 4,000 square feet. And cost is 15 mil with a deposit of 1.5. So guys, remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, comment, and share. And again, Colbeck Manor in Colbeck community, just outside of the Old Harbour town, St. Catherine. And Kemtek is the developer. And how could I forget the amenities, guys? So amenities include gated community, which we know already, 24-hour security, clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, wide roads for the houses, stone-coated roof, modern kitchen, modern tile, solar water heater, solid surface countertop, and the cast driveway. So nice gated community. I love the pool, I love the gym, you know, and again you have the option to add on, so that's really good as well. So thanks for watching to the end, guys. I know it's a long video, but thanks for watching to the end. Thanks for your support. And you know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, just always on the move, always showing you guys what's happening. So see you on another development.